Health and Family Welfare Minister L. Jentakumar has inaugurated a 10-bedded Ayush hospital at CMO Complex, Thawal Wangmutama today. Minister Jentakumar said, unlike before, Ayush has become an important part in the health sector. Daily wage earners stage sit-in protest urging the withdrawal of ban on sand and stone quarrying by Manipur High Court in front of Jain Room Hall at Kakching Sumak Laikat. Placards like withdraw ban on stones and sand quarrying, won't follow High Court orders, etc. were held. Seva Club and women folk of Thongju Part 2 staged a sit-in protest against the mysterious death of baby Sana at Haijingang Supermarket, Kanchipur today. President of Women Wing Seva Club, Thongju Part 2 Moirangthem Sabitri expressed disappointment over governments delaying the investigation into the case.